Okay, game fuel. Well, hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Kat and welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. I'm over 50 years old and I love makeup and skincare. And today we're going to be testing out two new products from Honest Beauty. Their new Everything Primer Glow and their eyeshadow palette. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Well, hello and welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. And if you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing. I would love it if you could be a part of my family. And don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay, let's get to Honest Beauty. Honest Beauty is a company that was founded by Jessica Alba, the gorgeous American actress that you've seen in Fantastic Four, as well as on Nickelodeon when she was much younger. But she founded this company that offers beauty products, home, and baby products as well. So when she came out with a brand new primer, I couldn't wait to share this with you. Now we are going to test it and review it and see how it performs on my mature skin. Now, if you've known me for a little while, you know I love Touch in Sol's No Problem Primer. That is a silicone-based primer. This one, on the other hand, seems super different and I can't wait to test it out. Now my face is already moisturized. We're just going to dive right in. Let's check out the specs on the Everything Primer Glow. Wearing makeup without primer, kind of like PB and J without the J. Now what intrigued me about this primer, it's infused with so many skin-loving ingredients like hyaluronic acid, peony root extract, a botanical peptide, and light reflecting pigment. This sounds good. It says this priming formula helps create a smooth, even canvas for makeup application. And it also states, not a foundation fan, you can also wear it alone for a subtle golden hued radiance. Your complexion will thank you. And also the benefits are it's dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, smooths skin and adds radiance. Yes. Prime skin for makeup, it's cruelty free, and of course it's made without parabens, PEGs, paraffins, mineral oil, and synthetic fragrances. So let's just pop this baby on. Now I've already moisturized my skin. As you can see, I have nothing on except for my eyebrows. You get 1 fluid ounce and it retails for $22. Now it comes in a plastic container. And the directions state, smooth a dime-sized amount of this glow primer all over your face. Wear it alone or under foundation. A dime size? Okay, let's check out the consistency. And, ooh, it's kind of like a dime, right? It does have a tint to it, so I'm wondering how it's gonna look on my complexion. So let's just dive right in. I'm gonna apply it all over my face as instructed. I'm just gonna put a little bit between my fingers like so, and I'm just gonna go right in. Oh, it does have a tint to it. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I just wanted to blur my pores. And it says free of synthetic fragrances, but oh my God. It definitely has a scent to it. Hopefully it'll go away. But it feels kind of cooling and silky. Oh, look at that. Now it does have a little hue to it, but it doesn't look too dark on my face. It's definitely blending in with my complexion. So, right. So normally when I prep my skin with a primer, I let it settle into my complexion. In the meantime, let's check out this Honest Beauty eyeshadow palette. I've already primed my eyes with MAC's Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, but let's talk about the new eyeshadow palette from Honest Beauty. Now it does have 10 pans of color, and what was really cool that I thought about this is that the all over shade is much larger than the regular shades that are included, which I love because usually I hit pan on the lightest shade anyway, so I thought that was a brilliant idea. The claims are that it is a versatile palette. Now you can do anything from a nude neutral look to a blown out smoky eye. So it says you've got options. Want to start the day off matte and slip into shimmers and satins later. The 10 copper to berry shades of the Honest Beauty's eyeshadow palette are here for you, and every eye color. With velvet texture and rich pigment. I haven't even swatched any of these, so oh my gosh. Now all these shades do have names, all the colors listed right here. So that's cool. But this color intrigues me so much. Let's check this out. So beautiful and rich. I love this rosy color right here. I'm just gonna check how it swatches here. Oh, ooh, what? Okay, disappointed. Let's try the burnt mocha that's underneath it, this really rich shade right here. I'm gonna take it with my finger here. This is super dark and dramatic. I wanna see how that one swatches. Okay, maybe it's because my hands are all old and crepey, but swatches don't tell the entire story. So while the primer is settling into my complexion, I'm gonna go in with a super neutral look. I'm gonna take the first shade in Vanilla Velvet and see how that goes onto my eyelids. And I'm just gonna take my Real Techniques brush and take a little bit of that all over lid color and see how it goes on my lids. Oh yes. Now, even though this is the all over lid color, it is going on quite easily. There is a lot of kickback, but I'm not mad at it. Ooh, yeah, there's a lot of kickback. Now, I'm really intrigued about this rose color right here. I'm gonna try that shade, again, on a smaller Real Techniques brush. See what the kick, ooh. It kind of strikes me as chalky, but let's just go in as a transitional color. Ooh, okay. Get a little bit more. It's definitely a little patchy, but hopefully I can blend that out. Ooh. Yo. Yikes. Yeah, it's not blending too well. It seems like the formula is just super dry. I've been kind of spoiled for the last couple of eyeshadow tutorials. I have been testing out the Charlotte Tilbury Super Blue, and I've also have been loving the Natasha Denona Mini Lila palette. I think I've just been spoiled. But I'm gonna make this work. I'm sorry, I am. I love the shade, I just wish it wasn't so patchy. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take a pencil brush, and I really wanna test out, I'm gonna take Strobed Champagne and put it on the outer corner of my eye and see how that works. Take a little bit on my brush. I'm just gonna go on the outskirts of my outer lid. And try to create a widening effect, if you will. Okay. This one is actually performing a little bit better. A clean fluffy brush and just blend that out. Yeah, these colors seem really muddy, like I can't get it to stay. I just blended it and it just completely blended it away. I'm gonna try to go in with this deeper color. Looks like it's almost iridescent. See if I can get more pigment right through here. All right, wow. I can't get any color to stay on my lids. Let's see if I can try something a little bit different. I'm gonna take iced cotton and apply it on my lid and see how that fares. Like I said, this is just, well, now this one's actually pretty. Maybe it just works with your fingers. I'm just gonna bring up iced cotton all the way up, like so. It is super dusty. I think what I'm gonna take next is my Morphe brush, and I'm gonna use this beautiful rich plum color here. I'm just gonna try lining my lower lash line. Hopefully I won't have too much fallout. What's cool is this does have a mirror, which I can use, and it's cardboard. The actual palette is cardboard, so it is recyclable. But I'm just gonna try to go underneath with this. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, this is actually a beautiful shade. And then I'm just gonna go on the outer corners of my eye. If you guys can see that. Okay, this definitely has pigment for sure. Now we're cooking with gas. Oh my God, this shade is actually called Gilded Mauve. That is stunning. Okay, let's check out this color. I wanna see how this performs. Oh my God, this is like chalk. Oh, yeah, let me see what this looks like. Well, now that is gorgeous. Hello? Oh my gosh, okay. Apparently I picked the wrong colors. But yeah, I don't like the texture of the actual pans. They're just kind of gritty and dry. And as you can see, there's not a whole heck of a lot of pigment. But what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes and put on some mascara, and I will be right back. Eyeliner and mascara on. I just lined my eyes with, of course, the Benefit Roller Liner and just created just a slight little tiny wing. And then I went in with Thrive Cosmetics mascara. Oh my goodness. I have heard so many fantastic things about this mascara. I had to get my hands on it and try it out. And I can tell you, holy moly, look at my eyelashes. I know I look crazy right now. They do not clump. They really extend my lashes, and it really makes me feel like I have long, luscious lashes. Wow, you guys, if you've never tried the Thrive mascara, I highly recommend it. I have super stubby lashes, and this, do you see that? Wow. Okay, now that the primer has had ample time to settle into my complexion, I'm ready to go in with foundation. I reviewed the MARACUJA Tinted Hydrator from Tarte a couple videos ago, and I actually really like it. I've been using it consistently since I've done that review. It offers sheer buildable coverage, but it makes my skin look super natural. Super natural? You know what I'm saying. It looks natural and glowy. Hopefully it'll play well with this primer, but you use it like a tinted moisturizer, so I'm just gonna put some on my hand. I'm just gonna go ahead and dot it. And usually I love using a beauty blender or a brush applying my foundation, but this is a beautiful consistency and it doesn't get streaky at all. But I just feel it offers just such sheer coverage and a natural glow. Very, very hydrating. It was funny, it got a little bit colder here in Chattanooga, and I decided, well, I'm gonna try this Tarte hydrator again. And the air was colder and my skin felt so hydrated and moisturized all day long. So I'm actually really loving this product. It's not peeling up on my face. Tinted hydrator is on. Feels good. And then I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. Of course, I'm gonna go in with my Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer, one of my all-time favorites. And I'm just gonna put a little bit underneath where I need it. And here. And just tap it in. Okay, concealer and foundation on. Now, honestly, my skin does look glowy. I don't know about light reflecting pigments, I don't know. But what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go ahead and pop on the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Final look, everyone. Now, for cheeks, I went in with Milani's Cheek Kiss Cream Blush in Rose Romance. You know I love a good cream blush, so I don't add extra texture to my mature skin. And then for lips, I went in with Revlon's Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish in Date Night. Do I have a date tonight? Probably not. I'm not going anywhere. But I do love the nude color with a little bit of pigment just so my face doesn't get washed out. But we are talking about the Honest Beauty's Everything Primer Glow and their eyeshadow palette. So I am absolutely ready to give you my final thoughts on these two products. The primer, okay, I did the husband test. In my house, the husband test is, okay, what do you think about my complexion? And he kind of looked at me and was like, I see your pores, I see your lines. He saw everything. Now with a primer, I expected to have some sort of blurring effect, something to fill in my pores and make it look a little less textured. But honestly, this is a beautiful primer, but is it meant for mature skin? Not for me. I'm still showing texture, I'm still showing pores, and I think with all the skin-loving ingredients like the hyaluronic acid, I can just get my hyaluronic acid and all those skin-loving ingredients in my moisturizers or in my serums. So I think I'm going to have to pass definitely on the Everything Primer Glow. Maybe you could just throw it on as like just for a natural glow, but don't expect it to blur your imperfections. At least that's not what it did for me. Now the eyeshadow palette, It's very chalky. It had a lot of kickback. The colors are gorgeous. There's only a few colors that had such great pigment, but I'm going to be playing with this a lot more and see if I can come up with more dramatic smoky looks. But today I just wanted an everyday look because let's face it, I ain't going anywhere today. But yes, would I recommend the Honest Beauty's Everything Primer Glow? No, not for mature skin, certainly not. I mean, like I said, you can get skin-loving ingredients in your skincare, but if you want a really good primer that's going to blur your pores and hide your imperfections, this one's not for you. As far as the eyeshadow palette, I would probably not recommend this either. I mean, they're very affordable if this is your cup of tea and if you can get these eyeshadows to work. Like I said, the texture on these eyeshadows, it's so dusty and gritty. I mean, they look beautiful, but they just did not perform like I wanted them to. I'm sorry. I hate giving negative reviews, but I just want to be honest with you. So I hope you enjoyed my honest review on the Honest Beauty products today. Leave a comment down below if you've ever tried any of the Honest Beauty products. I would love to know your opinion. Have you tried out any of their baby products or any of their home care products? Let me know. And in my next upcoming video, I will be sharing my results with a brand new facial cleanser that I've been testing out, and I can't wait to share it with you. And for more reviews on makeup and skincare, check out these videos up here. But for now, mahal kita, I love you, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.